There's something I want you to know. You're the love of my life. You're my lady.
Pwedeng artista.
Oo.
Bukas pa usa ko nito.
Mo eh.
Wala, pinapasaya lang natin.
Favorite tayo.
O next, si Mother. Kay Yoyo Villame.
Hindi ako marunong kanta.
Pero baka kanta.
Si ano naman, si Tess.
Para kay Tess to kay Brother Paul.
For once in my life. Oh, nakakatay niyo.
Brother Paul,
This is especially dedicated to
tsaka kay Sister Tess. Tsaka kay sa mga magsisiyo. Oh, I have someone
Naku, naalala
who
ko nun.
lives here.
Masaya na tayo.
Someone I need
Ating bedtime.
so
Wala kayo, sayang music.
once unafraid I can go where life leads me.
Dapat pala, next time tayo bumili tayo ng ano
And somehow I know I'll be
Pwede ba
strong.
natin yung sarili tayo?
What my heart feels to dream of, long before I knew someone